What is it, Nathan? What is that? You gonna go find out? What is it? What is that? Is that your own kitchen? Oh, that's for you, son. It's your very own kitchen. It's yours. Wow, that's your own cell phone. You can say hi. Look. Look, you got your own coffee pot. See? Your own coffee pot. Look. See this? Nathan, look. When you're cooking, it does this. Let me show you. Ready? Watch. Ready? You're cooking bacon like Daddy does. See? You're cooking. You're cooking bacon. And if you turn this way, you're washing dishes. How cool is that? It's your own silverware. Wow. Nathan's very own kitchen. That's your oven. Like in there. See, yeah, and you can put your pan in there. Put your pan in there, Nathan. Put this in there. Put this in there. Ready? Close the door. Close it. Good job. Yeah. See, and this clicks. And then you gotta set it. Now it's cooking. How cool is that? Yeah. How cool is that? Yeah. Put your pan back on here and then you can cook something. Ready? Put it on here. See, it sits there and then ready? And now you're cooking. You're cooking. Look, your very own coffee pot. Yeah. Papa. Do you like it, Nathan? Do you like it? Yeah.